Hi friends, in last video we have discussed the construction of analytic function. Now we discuss continuation to that a few more examples. If f of z, that is pi plus I psi in place of u plus iv, represents the complex potential of an electrostatic field where psi is x square minus y square plus x by x square plus y square. Find the complex potential, that is f of z as a function of complex variable z, and hence find pi, that is real part. Here they have given imaginary part, that is pi is a real part, psi is imaginary part. In the previous examples we have discussed u plus iv for, now it is pi plus I psi for. Here imaginary part they have given, that is psi. Now we need to differentiate psi partially with respect to x and y. Therefore psi x is with respect to x partially, only we differentiate x term, x square is 2x and y is 0, neglect plus here u by v form, therefore denominator square x square plus y square whole square, and keep the denominator as it is into differentiation of numerator, that is x is 1, minus keep the numerator as it is into differentiation of denominator with respect to x, that is x square is 2x and this term is 0. And by simplifying 2x plus here x square plus y square minus 2x square is 1x square and minus 2x square is x square minus x square, therefore y square minus x square divided by x square plus y square whole square. Now the psi partially with respect to y, therefore psi y is here x term is 0 and minus y square is minus 2y plus again u by v rule x square plus y square denominator square as it is and keep the denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator, but yet here x is the differentiation of x with respect to partially y is 0, minus keep the numerator x as it is, differentiation of y square, that is 2y. And by simplifying minus 2y, here the first term 0 and minus 2xy divided by x square plus y square whole square. We know that the previous examples f dash of z equal to ux plus ivx, but here pi and psi, therefore pi x plus I psi x. But we have psi x and psi y, therefore pi x can be written as in terms of psi y using CR equation. In the CR equation we have ux equal to vy, but here pi x equal to psi y, therefore psi x can be written as psi y plus I psi x, and replacing x by z, y by 0, therefore x by z, y by 0. Then in the first term we can replace x by z, y by 0. Here psi y 0, next here also y 0, 0 by something 0, therefore first term is 0. Then plus I psi x term, therefore 2z plus 0 minus x is z square divided by x square, that is z square plus 0 z square whole square and z square whole square. And here z square and this square get cancel, then I 2z minus 1 by z square, hence f of z, and this is f dash of z. Now we need to find f of z, therefore integrating with respect to z, I is as it is, so therefore the integration of z is z square by 2, 2 get cancel, therefore z square, and 1 by z square is integration minus 1 by z, therefore minus of minus plus 1 by z and plus some integration constant. Now to find pi, that is real part. Here we shall separate the RHS into real and imaginary parts. Here the Z, RHS term is Z, but Z is x plus iy. Hence f of z is pi plus I psi equal to I term as it is. Z can be written as x plus iy. Hence replace z by x plus iy. X plus iy square plus 1 by x plus iy and some integration constant c. Now a plus b whole square x square plus I square y square plus 2x iy, and we can simplify this by taking the rationalization. Hence x minus iy divided by x plus iy into x minus iy by taking the conjugate of complex number. Now x square I square is minus 1, therefore minus y square plus 2x iy plus x minus iy as it is divided by, now it is a plus b into a minus b, it is a square minus b square, therefore x square minus b square is minus I square y square, minus I square is minus 1, therefore minus of minus plus, therefore x square plus y square and some integration constant. Now multiply I to each term. Now I x square minus y square, then I into I is I square, that is minus 1, therefore it is minus 2xy. Now multiply only this, we can take the division to each number. Now I x divided by x square plus y square, next I square is minus 1 minus of minus plus, therefore y by x square plus y square plus some integration constant. Now we can separate real and imaginary parts. Here real part is minus 2xy plus y by x square plus y square, that is minus 2xy plus y by x square plus y square plus, now take the imaginary part, that is coefficient of I x square minus y square plus x by x square plus y square. Now compared to the given example, that is I psi, this is a imaginary part, and the remaining term, that is real part, that is pi equal to minus 2xy plus y by x square plus y square, by equating real and imaginary parts. Now consider one more example. Show that u equal to sin x cos hyperbolic y plus 2 cos x sin hyperbolic y plus x square minus y square plus 4xy is a harmonic. Also determine the analytic function. Here u means they have given a real part. Now we differentiate u partially with respect to x and y, but we need to show that it is a harmonic, therefore double differentiation of u with respect to x plus double differentiation of u with respect to y should be 0. Hence differentiation of ux, first differentiation sin x cos x and y term, that is cos hyperbolic y as it is, plus cos x is minus sin x, therefore minus 2 sin x sin hyperbolic y as it is, plus x square is 2x and this is 0 and 4xy, but y term is a treating constant, 4y, x is 1, therefore 4y. Now we need to differentiate once again uxx equal to, with respect to x, therefore cos is minus sin x and y term as it is cos hyperbolic y. Now minus 2 sin is cos x and sin hyperbolic y term as it is, plus 2x is 2 and this term is 0. This is uxx. Now we need to find u partially with respect to y. Now uy is sin x and differentiation of cos is sin hyperbolic y plus 2 cos x as it is, differentiation of sin hyperbolic y is cos hyperbolic y, minus we are differentiating partially with respect to y, therefore x term a constant, hence y square is 2y plus 4xy, but is y term treating a x term constant 4x and y term is 1. Now double differentiation, that is uyy equal to sin x term as it is sin hyperbolic y is cos hyperbolic y plus 2 cos x as it is cos hyperbolic y is sin hyperbolic y minus y term only, that is 2y is 2 plus x term is 0. Now we can take the addition of uxx plus and uyy. Therefore uxx plus uyy minus sin x cos hyperbolic y plus sin x cos hyperbolic cancel, minus 2 cos x sin hyperbolic y plus 2 cos x sin hyperbolic y get cancel, plus 2 minus 2 get cancel, it becomes 0, hence u is harmonic. Now we need to find f dash of z, and already we have ux and vx, therefore ux plus ivx, but we don't have vx. You can change vx as uy using CR equation, that is vx is minus uy, hence ux minus iuy. Now replacing x by z and y by 0, will get cos z plus 2z minus, in the second term, I cos 2z plus 4z. Now we need to find f of z, that is integration. Therefore by integrating with respect to z, we get f of z equal to cos z is sin z plus 2z is z square by 2 to get cancel z square minus I 2 as it is cos z is sin z plus 4 z is z square by 2 to get cancel, and so 2z square plus some integration constant. Now here we take some term constant, here z square term is a common, therefore z square I will take outside, 1 minus 2i plus, again sin z is common, therefore sin z, if I take sin z common, here 1 next minus 2i plus some integration constant. Again in these two terms 1 minus 2i is common, remaining is z square plus sin z plus some integration constant. This is the analytic function. Now we discuss the construction of analytic function in polar form. The example, construct the analytic function whose real part is r square cos 2 theta. Here they have given real part, that is u equal to r square cos 2 theta. Here we need to differentiate u partially with respect to r and partially with respect to theta. Previously we have differentiated u partially with respect to x and y in the Cartesian form. Here therefore ur partially with respect to r, keep the theta term as it is, so therefore cos 2 theta as it is, the r square is 2r. Now differentiation u partially with respect to theta, r term as it is, r square as it is, the cos 2 theta is minus 2 sin 2 theta. We know that f dash of z in the polar form is e to the power minus I theta into ur plus ivr. Here we have ur and u theta, but we don't know vr. We can replace vr by u theta using CR equation, that is vr equal to minus 1 by r u theta. Therefore above equation becomes f dash of z equal to e to the power minus I theta, ur is 2r cos 2 theta minus, because vr is minus 1 by r u theta, I 1 by r, ur is, u theta is minus 2r square sin 2 theta, and by simplifying we'll get e to the power minus I theta 2r cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. This is e to the power I 2 theta, but in the Cartesian form we are replacing x by z and y by 0, but here we can replace r by z and theta by 0. Hence we get f dash of z equal to e to the power theta, that is 0 1, then 2r, r is z 2z, and cos 0 1 plus sin 0 0, so 1 plus 0 1, then it is 2z, f dash of z equal to 2z, and by integrating we'll get f of z, that is z square by 2, 2 get cancelled, z square plus some integration constant c. Now consider one more example. Determine the analytic function f of z whose imaginary part is r minus k square by r sin theta. Here r is non-zero. Here they have given imaginary part, that is v. V equal to r minus k square by r sin theta. Here we need to differentiate partially v with respect to theta and with respect to r. There with respect to r is vr. R differentiation with respect to r is 1, and minus k square 1 by r is minus 1 by r square, minus of minus plus, therefore k square by r square, and sin theta as it is, and v theta, that is v with respect to theta, and r term as it is r minus k square by r sin theta is cos theta. And we know that f dash of z is e to the power minus I theta into ur plus ivr. But here we don't know ur, therefore we can replace ur by v theta using CR equation, that is ur equal to 1 by r v theta. Hence above equation becomes f dash of z equal to e to the power minus I theta, ur is 1 by r v theta plus I vr. Hence, and here we can replace r by z and theta by 0. Hence our v 1 by r, here r get cancelled, will get 1. Then k square by r will get minus k square by z square, because of r is z. Now cos theta is cos 0 1, and plus I vr sin 0 in the second part is 0, and e to the power minus I 0, that is also 1, will get f dash of z as 1 minus k square by z square. But we want f of z, hence integrating with respect to z will get f of z as integration of 1 with respect to z is z plus minus integration of 1 by z square is minus 1 by z, minus of minus plus, therefore plus k square by z plus some integration constant c. In particular case we can take k as a 1, that is r minus 1 by r sin theta. Then the answer for that is f of z equal to z plus 1 by z plus some integration constant c.